Find the product of monomials. And if you don't know what that means, it just means that, alright, let me give you an example problem. It's just something like x plus 3 times x plus 5, okay? Something like this. Pretty simple. Okay, and we're gonna solve this, okay? This problem right here. And the way to do this is first, you want to, alright, here, let me draw a little line through this paper for the work. Alright. X plus 3 times x plus 5. Alright. And so in algebra, there's this, well, not really a property. It's kind of just a rule. And it's called FOIL, alright? FOIL. Alright, and, so with FOIL, what it stands for, it is first, or maybe front if I'm forgetting, and then outer, then inner, and then last. Alright, and so what exactly does this mean, okay? Well, this means we're gonna kind of distribute these terms separately, okay? So first let's try distributing this x, alright? So first right here in FOIL means first and first right here, and then we're gonna get this one, we're gonna multiply it with the outer one as well. Alright, here, let me show you this. Alright, so with first, well, we get x times x. Well, that's just x squared, right? X squared, alright? Just like if you'd multiply 3 times 3, you'd get 3 squared, which is equal to 9. Well, we have x here, so we don't have a numeric value for it, okay? So now let's multiply the outer layer, okay? And so this is what it basically means. So it's going to get x, and then we're going to multiply the outer one, which is right here, which is the 5, okay? So what is 5 times x? Well, that's just going to be equal to 5x. That's how we denote it in algebra. And then now we're going to the inner one now. The inner, which is going to be the 3. You're going to take this 3, this is the inner one, and then times it by the x right here. And what do you get when you get 3 times x? Well, you get 3x. And then now you want to multiply the last with the last one right here. That's going to be 3 times 5, which is 15. Okay, and now you want to combine all the like terms, and then we get x squared plus, well, 5x and 3x right here. They're the same thing. So we're gonna add 5x plus 3x, which is 8x plus, and then there's no anything similar to 15, so we're just gonna add 15 right here. Okay, and if we factor this back out, we should get something like this. Okay, and you know, to check our answer here, you can just plug in any random number into this right here. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in 2. Alright, 2 is an easy number. Alright, so let's plug in 2 to check our answer. Alright, let's plug it in right here, alright? So, we plug in 2 for x, 2, and then 2. We get, alright, 2 plus 3 is 5, alright? So, we're going to get 5. And then 2 plus 5 is 7, alright? So, if we plug in 2, our output is 35. Alright, so output is 35. If we plug in 2 to this equation, what do we get? Well, let's try it out. We plug in 2 for x. That's going to be 2 squared plus, and then 8 times 2 plus 15. Alright? Then we get, let's simplify this even more. We get, alright, let me circle this for you one sec. Alright, we get 4, alright, because that's what 2 squared is, plus 16, alright, that's what 8 plus 2 is, or times 2, and then plus 15. And then, all right, let's combine like terms. All right, 4 plus 6, all right, that's 20. And then 20 plus 15, all right, is also equal to 35. All right, and so now we know that this indeed is the right answer. Okay, so key takeaway from multiplying monomials is remember this: FOIL. All right, first, all right, let me draw another picture. All right, so remember you FOIL it like this: first, outer, inner, and last, and that's how you're going to distribute it, and you should get something like that. All right, there you go. That's how to multiply monomials.